Hey there, this is Kenny in Jacksonville, Florida. I'm here at my son's office called the Goodwin House, and looking at the car that Vicki and I were able to purchase about 1.5 years ago. It's a wonderful Toyota Corolla with a big screen and a backup camera and all that. I didn't realize how down I was based on the fact that I couldn't drive. I haven't driven in 2 years, and so 3 or 4 days ago, the doctor says, or actually a week ago, the doctor said, your vision is back, you don't have the double, you've got almost 20/20, so it's like him handing me the keys. Reminded me of 1964, when my dad handed me the keys to a 57 Chevrolet. I feel like a kid again. Of course, I drove ever since that, 1964, except for small time in boot camp and some of the time when we were in countries, underdeveloped countries around the world. But boy, is driving fun. God is good. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye for now.